Just testing things out here. Mounted this camera on the dash. I feel like an old lady looking through the steering wheel. I never really realized how freaking short this damn steering wheel is. Like, I'm like looking through the wheel, man. I never liked the captain's chair in this truck. It sucks. But it's always been, you know, the last priority of shit that you want to buy, you know, $500, $600, $700 captain's chair. But I just wanted to see how this was going to come out. This truck is super loud in here too, so. But yeah, it's been another cold day. Just getting stuff ready for tomorrow. Trying to do some maintenance on this thing that's been prolonged for a long time. And just never stops. Still got people bitching and crying about their boats, and you know, it's freaking January. 34 degrees out, and it's like, you know, where are you going, man? You know, whatever. Keeps me busy, keeps work going. It's better than the alternative, I guess, which is no work. You don't want that, so I guess it's fine. Keeps you motivated. But I gotta go finish up this 28 Carolina Classic tomorrow. And, do a couple other things and get that done. Just trying to finish up some small jobs before we start another cooler job on a Cummins, and just finished up the M11 and sea trial that last week, and so that worked out good. I'm glad we picked the day we did on Tuesday of last week, because even though it was a little shitty and cold, Wednesday was even worse. It was blowing 25 knots out of the north with 34 degrees, so it felt like freaking 20. And yeah, everything's working out. But I'll just leave it there. Peace.